Welcome back to Turtle Logo lesson number 3, turning. So in this lesson, what we're going to be doing is getting your turtle to not only move forward like we learned in the last one, but actually getting it to turn the corner so that we can move the turtle around our screen. So just to review once again, we always start with the on start block that is provided for us. And then the first thing we need to do is grab out the show turtle block so that we can actually have our turtle showing up in our game console over on the left hand side. Last time we learned how to make our turtle move forwards with the move forward block. And we also learned that you can take the block and switch the forward to backwards and make the turtle move forwards and backwards. So hopefully you're able to make your turtle move forwards and backwards. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add in a new block called turn turtle right by 90 degrees. So we're just going to drag that block out. And once we put it in, you will notice that our turtle moves forwards and backwards, but it doesn't really change anything right at the moment. So our turtle has gone through these steps. The turtle showed up, it moved forward 25 steps, it moved backwards 50 steps, and then it turned a 90-degree angle. So since the turtle is facing forwards, it's now going to start moving. It's turned right, so it goes this way, 90 degrees. So it will move down, but we haven't added that block. So even though it has turned, we need to make it actually move forward again. So we're just going to grab the next block, add that in, and now we'll see that our turtle moves forwards, backwards, turns 90 degrees, and then moves forward again. Notice that he's going down because when he turned 90 degrees, he turned this way, and now he's moving in a downwards direction. So that's how you get your turtle to move. Use the block turn turtle right by 90 degrees. Now you'll notice that once again, this block has a little drop-down menu, and instead of turning right, you could actually turn left. So if you switch that to turning left, you can see the turtle moves forward, backwards, then turns left, which is this way by 90 degrees, and then moves forward and he moves up. So just like we did before with the forwards and backwards, we have the option of moving left and right. And instead of having number of steps, we have an angle. So you can change from 0 to 360 degrees, or you can type in a number as well between 0 and 360, and your turtle can move in any particular angle that you want. I'm just going to try to get a 45-degree angle here. Type it in and see the turtle moving in a 45-degree angle this time. So what I'd like you to do is just play around a little bit, try to change the steps and the order. Know that you can drag out more than one of these blocks and change the angle of the turtle after it moves several times. And just practice using our forwards and turning block. And that's success. Now you're able to make the turtle turn right or left, and at a particular angle if you want, or just 90 degrees. And from last time, you knew how to make them move forwards and backwards. So for your turn, what I'd like you to do this time is use the following blocks. I want you to move your turtle either forwards or backwards. I want you to turn it left or right by some angle, doesn't really matter. Then move your turtle again, and when it's finally done, I would like you to have your turtle say, I change direction. And that's this lesson.